What if I told you there's a simple, everyday vegetable sitting in your kitchen that can not only enhance your brain power, protect your heart, and fight off cancer, but also help regenerate your nerves? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because today we're uncovering the shocking power of red onions and why you need them in your diet. Today, we're going to look at how red onions can help with nerve health, heart health, and even preventing cancer. Let's dive in. Red onions do more than just give your body nutrients. They help protect you from diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. We'll talk more about how they do this soon, but first, let's see what makes red onions so special. 1. Red onions are particularly high in antioxidants, especially quercetin and anthocyanins. Quercetin has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, while anthocyanins give onions their deep color and help fight free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic disease and cancer. 2. Red onions are a good source of prebiotics, which help support healthy gut bacteria. A well-balanced gut microbiome is crucial for digestion, immune function, and even mental health. So, adding red onions to your diet may improve your gut health too. 3. At the heart of red onions' power lies quercetin, a potent flavonoid that has been shown to protect your nerve cells from damage. This is crucial when it comes to conditions like peripheral neuropathy, which affects millions of people worldwide. Quercetin can shield your nerves from inflammation and oxidative stress, and even help regenerate damaged nerves. One particularly exciting study found that quercetin can minimize tissue damage in the case of spinal cord injuries and promote nerve regeneration. Imagine being able to reduce muscle atrophy and recover motor function simply by adding red onions to your diet. This is the kind of natural healing power we should all be taking advantage of. 4. Support nerve function. Red onions are a valuable source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6 and folate, which play essential roles in maintaining healthy nerve function. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is crucial for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells and the brain. Proper neurotransmitter function is vital for mood regulation, cognitive processes, and overall nerve communication. Without adequate levels of vitamin B6, the efficiency of these neurotransmitters can be compromised, potentially leading to issues such as depression, irritability, and cognitive decline. Folate, or vitamin B9, is another important B vitamin found in red onions. Folate is essential for the production and maintenance of new cells, including nerve cells. It also helps in the synthesis of DNA and RNA, which are necessary for proper cell division and function. A deficiency in folate can lead to neurological problems, including memory issues and cognitive impairment. By ensuring an adequate intake of folate, you support the health and proper function of your nervous system. Together, these B vitamins in red onions help regulate nerve function, support the production of neurotransmitters, and maintain overall nerve health. 5. Heart health. The benefits of red onions don't stop with your nervous system. Their rich antioxidant and sulfur content is also fantastic for cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of quercetin can help lower high blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and improve overall heart function. 6. Red onions play a significant role in enhancing blood flow, particularly to the brain. They are rich in flavonoids such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, which boost the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to improved circulation. This means that more oxygen and essential nutrients can reach your brain cells, supporting their health and function. Additionally, red onions help lower blood pressure by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the blood vessels. Lower blood pressure contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system, which supports better blood flow to the brain. Now let's talk about how you can maximize the health benefits of red onions to make sure you're getting the most out of them. When it comes to cancer prevention, red onions contain powerful compounds like quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the colon, breast, and lungs. These sulfur compounds also detoxify carcinogens and prevent DNA damage. Furthermore, the high fiber content of red onions supports digestive health and helps lower the risk of colon cancer. To get the most out of red onions, it's best to consume them raw. Heat can destroy many of their potent antioxidants, so try adding them to salads, sandwiches, and salsas, or even using them as a topping for your favorite dishes. If you do need to cook them, add them in at the last minute to preserve as much of their nutritional value as possible. This will help preserve their nutritional value and ensure you get the most benefits from their antioxidants and vitamins. Speaking of antioxidants, here's an interesting tip. Did you know that the highest concentration of antioxidants in an onion is actually found in its outer layer? So, when peeling an onion, remove only the thin, papery skin and keep as much of the outer layer as possible to maximize its health benefits. In conclusion, red onions are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They're a health powerhouse, helping protect your nerves, heart, and even your gut. Remember to incorporate them raw whenever possible to maximize their benefits and keep those top layers intact. So, next time you're preparing a meal, don't skip the red onions. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time.